Merry Christmas, everyone. I'm Ralph Mahalik Jr., the Low Payment King, and I hope you enjoyed the Low Payment King's 12 Days of Christmas video as much as we enjoyed making it. Take it away, team.
On the 12th day of Christmas, the Low Payment King gave to me
12,000 pounds of towing.
And the 2019 Motor Trend Truck of the Year, the all-new Ram 1500.
On the 11th day of Christmas, the Low Payment King gave to me
11 Jeep off-road course obstacles we're conquering.
On the 10th day of Christmas, the Low Payment King gave to me
In 10 decades of serving you more and saving you more with the Low Payment Kings at our 6 locations. Monroe Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram Superstore, 52 years. Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram Winter Haven, 27 years. Buckeye Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram Fiat in Shelby, Ohio, 13 years. 8 years at Posner Park Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram Fiat in Central Florida. 8 years with Alex Mahalik and the Low Payment Kings at Alfa Romeo Fiat in Winter Haven. And 4 years at Lake Wales Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram. So make sure you see the Low Payment Kings for all your sales, service, parts, and body shop needs. And again, let's cheer a toast this holiday season to another 10 decades of serving you more and saving you more with the Low Payment Kings 5-star team.
On the 9th day of Christmas, the Low Payment King gave to me
9-second Demon. That's right, folks. The incredible Dodge Demon with the quarter mile at 9.38 seconds.
On the 8th day of Christmas, the Low Payment King gave to me
8 valves of pumping.
On the 7th day of Christmas, the Low Payment King gave to me
7 slots I'm showing off in my award-winning Jeep.
On the 6th day of Christmas, the Low Payment King gave to me
6 kids riding peacefully in my Pacifica.
On the 5th day of Christmas, the Low Payment King gave to me
5-star service from a 5-star team.
On the 4th day of Christmas, the Low Payment King gave to me
4-cylinder turbo power.
On the 3rd day of Christmas, the Low Payment King gave to me
3 Motor Trend Awards.
The 2019 Jeep Wrangler Motor Trend SUV of the Year.
The 2019 Ram 1500 pickup, Motor Trend's Truck of the Year.
2018 Motor Trend Car of the Year, Alfa Romeo Giulia.
On the 2nd day of Christmas, the Low Payment King gave to me
2 exhaust pipes rumbling.
On the 1st day of Christmas, the Low Payment King gave to me
the all-new Jeep Gladiator under my tree.
Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed the Low Payment King's 12 Days of Christmas as much as we enjoyed making this video. Again, when you're thinking about your automotive sales and service and parts needs this holiday season and throughout 2019, please think of the Low Payment Kings. You can view hundreds of vehicles, videos, and specials at lowpaymentkings.com at all 6 of our locations. So Merry Christmas, everyone! Ho, ho, ho! All these cars gotta go!